Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can restore a previous version of your image and photo on Adobe Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your photo editing project on Lightroom. I will go with that image here depicting a plate with strawberries. So what you want to do, guys, is let me just add an edit for demonstration purposes and show you how you can restore to the previous version. So let me add, for example, I don't know, a black and white filter, for instance. And let me also crop the image, just like that. Press enter. There you go. So what you want to do is simply click into that clock or versions icon here to the right and navigate through your version history. So as you can see, there's only one past version, which is the original, and we just added these changes. So if you'd like to return to the original version or a previous version, click into this button. That is going to restore it. Alternatively, guys, you may simply use the undo button here at the top to undo the last change, as you can see, and you can follow along that changes history here on the right hand side, or use these buttons here to navigate through these edits. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.